Hello everyone, this is your friend Ronita and welcome back to my channel Ministry of Happiness. In today's makeover video, I am going to show you how I convert a simple box window into a very lovable and cozy reading corner. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the box window where I am going to do the makeover. Let me tell you a few of the things about this box window. This box window comes towards the eastern side of my house. Since this is the eastern side, this place receives the maximum amount of sunlight and heat during the daytime. Now this has both advantages and disadvantages. Coming to advantages. Firstly, I don't need any sort of artificial lighting during the daytime to make this room lighten up. And the second best part is I can keep as many plants as I want in this place because they receive ample amount of sunlight for their growth. Coming to disadvantages, the first disadvantage is this place becomes very much heated up during the daytime because of the constant sunlight and the heat that it is receiving. And the second disadvantage is no matter whatever I keep in this corner, like a curtain or a wooden piece or any sort of showpiece or anything, it gets destroyed. Either the color changes or the shape of the thing changes because of the heat that it is receiving. So what I have decided is I am going to decorate this place with maximum amount of plants and minimum amount of other objects. I am pretty sure that most of you are having a place in your house which receives maximum amount of sunlight and heat during the daytime, and even you want to convert that place into a small cozy reading station or a cozy place for you, but you're not able to do it, maybe because of the same reasons that I am facing or maybe something else. So the changes that I am going to do here might help you as well. The first change that I'm going to do here is covering this glass windows. For that, what I'm going to do is I am taking a piece of fabric which I have cut it into the shape and size of this window glasses, and I'm going to paste it on this window panes. Now the thing that you need to keep in mind is you should choose a piece of fabric which is not very thick or a very solid color, because if you do that it will completely block the sunlight in that room. That is not going to help you out during the daytime. So it should be something which is translucent or semi-transparent sort of a thing. And also I have chosen a design which goes with the decor of my room. So you can do the same as well, or you can just keep it a basic color that you want. Let's get started with that. To stick the fabric piece, I am using white glue here, and with the help of a brush, flat brush, I am spreading it on the glass. One thing to make sure that the glue which you are taking, it should not be in diluted form, otherwise the piece of fabric won't stick properly. Here, in order to stick the fabric piece, I am stretching the cloth and pressing it against the glass so that I can avoid wrinkles or any sort of air bubbles. Do not put the glue all over the glass at the same time, otherwise while you will finish putting the glue to the base of the glass, the top part will be dried up. So take small segments and put the glue and keep attaching the piece of fabric. So in the same manner, I am going to stick the entire piece of cloth here and to the rest of the window glasses. So this is how the window glasses are looking after covering them with the fabric piece. And as you can see right now, the amount of light coming from outside is also controlled. So the purpose of covering these glass panes are solved. Now for the entire daytime, it's not going to get extreme amount of sunlight or extreme amount of heat. Now let's go ahead and decorate this place. First, I am going to hang this lantern to the hooks that I have attached to the wall. I have placed some books in the bookshelf that I have pre-installed. And now decorating this place with some small and cute things that makes this place very beautiful and cozy. Adding some plants out here to add that oomph of greenery. Placing some snake plants, syngonium and other indoor plants. Placing some terracotta pottery which I have purchased from a mela last year, and a small cannon which I have purchased while my last trip to Murshidabad, which looks very cute here and also gives a similar touch to the ethnic vibe that I have kept for this room. Now giving a pillow to this side in order to have a backrest. This lantern I have purchased during my trip to Odisha from the place called Peeply Village, and these are available specially there, which looks very beautiful if we can light a light into it. So that is all. My cozy beautiful reading corner is ready. So this is how I have converted a simple box window into a cozy reading corner. Please let me know how you like the transformation, and if you have a similar place at your home, give it a try. Also, please like and share my video, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel yet. Thanks for watching.